I would like to talk about the art of listening as an actor. Have you ever wondered how to sharpen your listening skills as an actor? In this video, I will discuss what the art of listening really means and how to listen like an actor. At the heart of truly great acting lies a skill sometimes overlooked, but always part of a great performance: listening. And when I talk about listening in the art of acting, I don't mean passive listening, but rather active listening, whole-bodied listening, soul-fueled attention. Sanford Meisner, one of the most respected acting teachers of the 20th century, believed so strongly in this principle that it became a cornerstone of his technique. According to Meisner, real acting begins when the actor stops anticipating and begins to really actively listen. But what does it really mean to listen as an actor? How can one train this elusive skill? And what makes it so essential, not only in the art of acting, but in the realm of connection itself? Let's take a deeper look into why listening is not just a technique, but an art. Number one, what listening really means for the actor. In everyday life, we listen oftentimes just long enough to respond. We might be rehearsing our next thing that we're going to say. Maybe we're multitasking or jumping ahead and jumping to a conclusion about something. This type of thing can fall very flat in the art of acting. Actors who rely on pre-planned reactions can easily lose the organic flow of a scene. The audience will sense that something is off, that something is not authentic. But when the actor truly listens in real time, something magical happens. All of a sudden, you're no longer acting the scene, you're living it. Sanford Meisner was one of the first acting teachers to address this with the actor directly. He taught actors how to remove the safety net of anticipation and predictability. His exercises, particularly the repetition exercise, helped the actor strip away the language and the concern for the lines, and helped each actor isolate their attention onto their partner and their partner's behavior. Through his exercises, he helped actors sharpen a very crucial skill. That presence is born from listening deeply. Point number two, how to listen like an actor. To be clear, listening does not mean just listening with your ears. As legendary acting teacher Stella Adler once said, and I quote, "Very few people have it. Actors must have it." Listening is with your blood, with your talent, with your life, streaming through to the person that you're talking to, who is communicating with you. What Stella Adler was talking about is the kind of listening that is deep and visceral. It's physical, it's emotional, it's intuitive. You listen with your eyes, with your senses, with your body. You allow your entire being to respond, not just to what is being said, but to what you feel lies underneath the words that are being spoken to you by the other character. It is being open to allowing yourself to be affected. So in other words, the actor listens not just to hear, but to feel. This goes without saying that this level of attunement takes practice. It demands that the actor let go of their ego, that they let go of their self-consciousness, and that they let go of the need to perform. It asks you to surrender to the moment, trusting that what arises, no matter how raw, how messy, or how unexpected, this is the truth of the scene. Point number three, giving and receiving. Giving and receiving is the dance of connection in the art form of acting. Acting is not just a solo endeavor. It is a dynamic, constantly changing exchange between your character and the other characters that are in the scene. It's kind of a dance of giving, a dance of receiving and responding. And it's in this dance that listening is your foundation. When you listen generously, which is definitely possible in the art form of acting, you elevate your partner. When you allow them to affect you, you in turn give them permission to listen deeply as well. This exchange creates electricity in the scene. It's the magic that happens when both actors stop being in their head, stop thinking about what the right thing is to do, and they start living and they start just existing and being with each other. If you understand profoundly what your character needs from the other character in the scene, you no longer are stuck in the trap of waiting for your cue from your scene partner. You are in pursuit of what you need, and your listening adjusts accordingly. Being a generous actor doesn't mean taking over the space on the stage. Instead, it means holding space for your partner. It means giving them your full attention, your full heart, your full energy. This openness automatically invites spontaneity and truth. Surprising things happen. The scene comes alive in a way that cannot be rehearsed or planned or repeated. Generosity through your listening is not just a noble ideal. It's a practical tool. It keeps you rooted in the moment. It allows you to respond to surprises and change. And it allows you to be ready to explore the scene in ways that are surprising even to you. So, why does this matter? I believe that the art of listening is what separates the good actors from the great actors. It allows a scene to live and breathe. It's one of the things that makes performances dynamic and truthful and absolutely real. As in life, we rarely know what's coming next. So when the actors are able to truly, honestly listen and open themselves to the unknown, this mirrors real life in a very, very powerful way. Here's one thing that you can do in your rehearsal process to help you sharpen your listening skills. Try improvising through a scene that you've learned the lines for. Free yourself from your obligation of getting your cue and then saying your next line. Allow yourself not to know what's coming next, just to pay attention to the given circumstances, the relationship, and what you want and what you need. As you improvise and explore, remind yourself that not knowing what's going to come next is a gift. That you're not going to lose your connection to the character or to the circumstances, and the air is not going to fall out from underneath you in the scene. Living in the unknown gives you space to find your way through the transitions and the dramatic logic of the scene, providing you with opportunities to discover things that you had no idea were there. And you can hold on to this freedom that you found in the improvisation when you go back to the lines. When you improvise, let every word and every nuance of your partner's actions and their words that they say to you, let them land on you like a wave. Allow yourself to be affected. Feel it. Respond to it. Let it guide you to what you want to do next. You may just find yourself acting less and living more. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Click on the description below for links to our website as well as our free weekly newsletter. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.